Just bought a new car. We're gonna come check it out. He's pretty excited about it. Look at this. It's pretty. How's it feel?
Wow, check the wheels out.
Look at this. That's pretty. It's a Ford Focus.
Wow.
Nice, right?
Got my booty on that one.
It's very nice.
Put a little touch up right there, man. I'll talk to you. Go up and get, like, they might do it for you at the dealership. If you bought it from them, but you can go get like, they'll, at AutoZone, they'll match, like, they know the four color. And they have this little, like, it's like a freaking, like, Sharpie.
Check that out.
Yeah.
Pretty,
It's
isn't
not
it?
rusted yet, it's just...
It's fancy in there.
Fancy. Tell my fancy.
Fancy, baby.
My bestie. Guys, this is my best friend Terry,
What's up?
aka Terry Bear, and this is the one that owned my car. Yeah, we're having her wine. Hold on, wait for it. Okay, yes. We're celebrating, but this is the one that owned my car before I owned it. This car right here. That's the one. She's the one that put all the dents in it. That was her right there. Just saying.
Reckless.
She's a crazy driver. She's got so many speeding tickets too. Call her Speedy Gonzalez. And so yeah,
Bedfoot.
just wanted to show y'all.
I was born that way. Love me for who I
She's
am.
really bad at it. Really, really bad.
And you do.
Always. We've been friends for like 20 plus years. Since 98. Yeah, so 20 years.
I can just do it.
Roughly. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi to my bestie. My crazy redheaded ginger bestie.
I got no
soul. But yeah, she did all of this.
Yeah.
Okay, finalize some papers. Look at that beautiful car. I am so jealous. So jealous. I have no car right now. My car shit the bed. But he's got a car. It's so pretty.
Hey, I wonder if